Do you know you can turn any WordPress site into a web app or a mobile app? And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. My name is Matthew Brown if you're meeting me for the first time, and this is Fly Studios. Our goal is simple: teach you how to build websites with no code, teach you the technicalities and how to build any kind of website, WordPress websites, and a whole lot more. But we'll come back to that. Let's go into this. This on my screen is a clear example of a website that has this feature on it. Now it comes with push notifications so that every time you have new blog post or new courses, your users will get access to it, and also you get the notifications for them to install your website as a mobile app or as a web app. Look at it here. I'm going to show you how it is. So this is the web app directly on my system. Now if I open it, it doesn't open in any browser. You get all the features of the web app. Every time I release new videos or new course, they get a push notification. If I release new blog posts, you also get it directly on the app, and I'm going to show you how we achieve this. So before we start, if you're new to WordPress and you want to find the best way to start your WordPress skill, or want to learn everything about WordPress and you don't want to pay money, or you want to start for free, head over to our YouTube channel at Zipline Studios. Here you're going to have access to tons of videos that will help you achieve that. But you can go to the particular playlist. Under our videos, you see a playlist. It's called WordPress Tutorial for Beginners. This will help you from the very beginning to getting free hosting and domain, to also installing your WordPress directly on your website. And if you want to go live, you could actually get a domain and hosting with Hostinga, which will have an affiliate with that will help us go, or you could just go with Namecheap or anyone that's suitable for you. So thank you, and let's go. For you to achieve this, we've installed a WordPress on our hosting, and WordPress does not have anything. It's a clear WordPress website, and we're going to show you how to add this feature that helps your WordPress website convert it to a web app or a mobile app that anybody can install and get a lot of perks for it. Now, before we go, I wanted to just make sure that you see that this is a clear WordPress website. There's nothing on it. It's totally blank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly use free template to convert this WordPress website to a functioning website while we add the feature. But don't worry, I'm going to make this video fast. I'm going to just hasten through adding all of the things and building up a site in less than a minute. If you want to explore more of these things and how you can build websites the way we do, head over to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow the process. So the first thing I need to do is to set up our website in 3, 2, 1, 0. And here we go. We have a complete WordPress website. So if you click on the view website, you're going to see that we've built the website we want to be converting to a web app. For those that have choices, you could literally look at the domain. It's the same site, right? So I needed to just speed up this process. So this is a simple e-commerce website, and we're going to convert it to an app. All we need to do is to just click on finish setup here. Automatically, you see that more features has been added, but let's go straight to our goal. So we're going to go to plugins. We're going to click on add plugin here. Then I want you to search for a plugin called Progressify. So this plugin is part of a series of plugins that we call PWA. We call it Progressive Web App, right? So they help you convert your WordPress website to a mobile app. So we're going to install this one particularly. Now, this plugin has a premium and has a free version. So you could use the free version to achieve the basic things, but there are more things you want to. If you want to achieve more things with this, you probably want to go for the premium package. But I'm going to install the free one and show you how you can do this in simple steps. So what we want to do is to just skip this process. All right, so you're going to come here. You're going to see my blog. That's the name of your website. So basically, with the free version, you could get a mobile web app process, but we're going to just go to settings here. All right, so you could add your app icon. This is my logo. We're going to click on select. Now, this, you want to add a screenshot, is a pro version. So I'm just going to change this to Zipline app. Then change this name as well. You could add a description. I'm just going to put the same thing here. Then where do you want them to see whenever they display their app? What's the first thing? So I just want it to be the home page, right? There are a few other orientation that you can look at, but some of these are pro version. But to get the basic thing, you're just going to go with this. Okay. Then the next thing is installation. So you're going to click on installation here. So some of these are locked. So what the kind of installation you're going to get is the one I showed you at the beginning of the video, that pop-up that pops up at the beginning. So you can click on edit and change, get our web. So get our web. I'm just going to add and mobile app, and that's all I need to do. Okay. Then installation, this is also an installation link. So you can add it to, if you want to add, let's say, on your home page you want to add like a button for people to click to install the app, you could just do well to add that, right? Then this your code is going to work later on, so don't worry about it. Install our So offline usage you get usually it's pro version for it, but the basic things like I said, you're going to get it for free. So navigation swipe. Now if you go to our web app on your mobile phone, you get certain navigation like the home, the icon, and all of that. You could do well to do that. Okay, so this is the premium version, is the navigation bar is a premium, but navigation swipe scroll bar at the top of your website. So if I come here, I don't know if you will notice, but there's a scroll bar black in color. If I'm scrolling, you can see it move and all of those stuff. So you get that. If you want the dark and scene mode, you have to go for the premium. Now, if you want blur, if you visit our website when it's totally inactive, it gets to be blurry, right? So people don't see what you're doing if you're not active on your website and all of that. We have other app capability, but most of them are premium. But if you want people to be able to share your app and all push notification, you also get some part of push notification, like welcome, right? But new content and all, most of them are premium. So if you want the pro version, there's also the pro version of the app, which we are currently using, right? So basically, these are just simple ways, but I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to copy this our website link, which is a subdomain sales.aquax.store, and we are going to just open a new browser and a new mail that I've not used this before. So let's just come here and paste this here. Then you come here. So this is the front end. Now what we just need to do is to click on accept this, right? Now click on install. Now it will just give you a few steps on how your users can install your app. So what it's just saying is you come to this tree icon here. If you read through, yeah, now going to come to this place we have cast and save. You're going to say install pages app. So you're going to click on it here. Then it should come with your app name, but I'm not sure I saved the name, so I'm just going to call it Zflight test, right? Then click on next, then click on install. You can close this, right? So if you even see from the browser, you can see open in app. We can click here, it will open on the app. So let's just close this up. Got it. So this opens on the app, so we could always cancel, right? This open on the app, but let me cancel this, right? You're going to find this option here. It's called the Zflight test. You can click on it here. I'm going to find your website, and this is it. This is the web app. Now you can see not secure because this is just a testing site, so we didn't secure it. So this is it. You see how simple it is to add your website or convert your website as a mobile app. Now, if you want more features and all of this stuff, I will always advise you to go with the premium plugin. The premium has so much features and so much customization, and it feels way more as a mobile app or as a web app when you're using the premium version. The free version is something you could use, test it out, but the premium version is something you should go for. Once more, my name is Matthew Brown. If you want to find more videos on what we do and you want to learn WordPress sites, just make sure to head over to our YouTube channel at Zflight Studios. You can find the logo and the name here, and you can check out some of our videos. We have tons and tons of videos, how to build your own SaaS website, how to learn WordPress, and so much more. Thank you. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. And if this video was so helpful to you, follow us. Follow us on TikTok, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon as we're releasing the next video. We're going to show you in the next video how you can edit your WordPress admin page so it could look super good and look more like a dashboard that works. Thank you. Catch you in the next one.